Hey guys, back in the garage. My latest install is a SuperATV Flip-Up Windshield for my General, and I just got it. By the way, one thing about SuperATV, they ship their products really fast. They are packaged exceptionally well. The material is really good. Just to give you an idea, I mean, this is all good powder coated metal. The brackets and everything are very well made. Good hardware. Everything is just really good quality. I can't say enough about it, enough good stuff about it. I think I mentioned in a previous video my rear windscreen. This is from SuperATV and well made. Actually my only complaint about the rear windscreen is the bolt could be just a hair longer, but other than that, I mean, just again, very well made. What I wanted to comment about first was that in the car, one of the first things that it says to do is to remove, if you have one, remove the roof, and then two, remove this visor panel. This visor panel, this is included from the factory. And it's really to drill out these holes. And you're drilling the holes in the plastic. The hole, this bracket here, and these holes, these are here from the factory. And so what you're doing is really drilling into the plastic. Now, what I'm doing, and I haven't done this side yet, what I'm doing is I'm actually using a step drill and just going in and basically just opening this up, and then from the outside of the vehicle, you can't come at it directly down, but there is enough in here where you can actually go in and just to open up those holes. I'm going to do the same thing on this side over here, and I think that's going to mean that I will not need to pull off the roof. Now, I may still need to do that for some reason, but as of right now, I think I'm going to be safe to actually leave the roof on and not have to worry about that. I do have, I will have to, again, just kind of clean this up and remove some plastic, but I actually have a, you could use just a regular drill bit, anything to just kind of open up that hole. Anyway, I'll follow up once I get further along in the install.